Guys, as of January 30th, 2026, the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center, SPC, is implementing a significant update to its severe weather forecast tools and terminology, with full rollout expected in March 2026 to improve threat communication. This update includes new, more detailed severe weather outlook and forecast products. So this is pretty cool. I mean, it's a little bit more complicated, but again, it's gonna help to actually know what's gonna happen. But it's pretty cool. So updates can be monitored through the Storm Prediction Center website if you guys want to check it out. But as you can see right here, this is what the outlook is going to look like. You see that they added a little bit. They added the hatch risk. They added intensity information now. So again, that is pretty cool. Let me make this so that you guys can see a little bit more of this page. As you can see right here, it has this is the outlook that you see on here. This is just an example. Okay, this is not an outlook that's going on right now. So if we scroll down, you can see right here. It says that. Let me move the screen real quick so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so it says the SPC will represent these intensity forecasts as conditional intensity groups, or more simply, intensity levels. These three intensity distributions, SIG1, SIG2, and SIG3, will be utilized to communicate increasing intensity of severe weather hazards. Should severe weather hazards occur, these new conditional intensity groups will be visible on the SPC Severe Weather Outlook Day 1, Day 2, and Day 3 graphics and disseminated through the SPC Outlook PTS product, replacing the current operational sign label. So this is what it means. You can see right here, this is intensity level 1, SIG1, intensity level 2, SIG2, and then you got intensity level 3, which is SIG3. So it pretty much is like, how bad is the hail going to be? Like, when it says hail outlooks, like, how bad is the hail going to be? When it says wind outlooks, how bad is the wind going to be? How bad is the tornado going to be? Well, this is just what it shows you right here. So it is pretty cool. If you scroll down here, it shows us the new probability to category conversion tables. The SPC hasn't updated for a while, but you see right here, tornado thing over here. And then you got wind, and then you got hail, and then you got total severe. So this is going to be more complicated, but we'll get used to it at some point and start understanding it more. But as you can see right here, this is pretty cool. You can see all these wind chances and stuff. So it's pretty much just it just adds more like what they think is gonna happen, like what they expect, like for example, like how big is the hail gonna be? Then they would put what they expect the hail to look like and vote for how big the hail is gonna be. So it's pretty cool, and yeah, we'll get used to it and start knowing about it here soon. If we go to home, you can see if we scroll down, we see this shows us right here. If you guys don't know what the SPC is, this is pretty much just showing you like what all the outlooks mean. So when I say like marginal risk and stuff like that in some of my weather videos. So general thunderstorm, which is this color, what you see inside some of my weather videos. Although severe weather is not expected at all thunderstorms can produce deadly lightning, gusty winds, and small hail. But then you got the marginal risk. Some storms could be capable of producing damaging winds and severe hail. Localized tornado threat could develop. Slight risk, which is the yellow. Increased confidence that some storms will contain damaging winds, severe hail, and or tornado potential. A few storms could be significant. And then you got the enhanced high confidence that several storms will contain damaging winds, severe hail, and or tornadoes. And that's level 3. And then you got level 4, which is moderate, which is high confidence that many storms will contain damaging winds, severe hail, and or tornadoes. And then you got the more rare high risk over here, which is high confidence that an outbreak of storms will contain tornadoes, damaging winds, and or severe hails, which is when more of the, bigger tornado outbreaks that are possible. So that's mainly what that is. And then if you go over here, A general risk is just going to be like any storm that contains at least one of the following. Similar storms to your area experiences many times a year is what the general risk is. But you can see on here numerous. Similar to intense storms in your area, only experienced once per year or less. That's what moderate is. And then high risk is like once or twice in a lifetime. Like you'll only get into a high risk once or twice in your lifetime. It's you might not even ever get it in your lifetime from how rare it is, but yeah, that's just what it is. So that's what all the category meanings is. But yeah, this is from the SPC. But you guys should really rely on the National Weather Service for your real alerts and SPC for your real information. So just showing you guys what the update is, anyways. It's pretty much just what it is. But also, high risk also means tornado of at least EF2 rating. So that risk that I showed you earlier is not happening right now. That was just an example, okay? But anyways, this is complicated, but it's cool. So that's good. And we are expecting a winter storm today as well, so get prepared for that. It should start developing later today, maybe, and then get crazier tomorrow and the next day. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I will see you in the next video. Hope you guys like this video, and yeah, there's a chance I might upload another video today on this winter storm. So see you later.